guys! Mabuhay! It's me, your girl InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hi guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, we are not going anywhere today because I got a package from someone who is one of my sisters in YouTube, Chris Tutorials. Today's video, we will find out what I got. So are you ready guys? What are we waiting for? Happy watching! Guys, so let's get started. Magaan siya guys ha? Very light. Ano kaya ito? Kasi sinake ko siya yesterday. Sinake ko siya. Wala talaga. Sinake ko siya. May tunog. Diba? Okay guys. I'll open this. Pwede na pala dito na. Ayan. Okay. Sinanggal ko. Kasi diba kapag gift daw, kailangan sirain talaga ng bongga para may mga next time pa na ma-receive. Diba? Bongga. Okay guys. May bubble wrap siya. Ayan. Have my scissors here on the side. Okay. Yung aking mini desk guys. Back siya guys. Ayan, nakulog pa. Light lang siya guys. Light lang yung ano. Ano kaya ito? Picture ko! Wala shade eh. May picture ako ha? Yes! InDaynaMo, anything is possible when you have the right people there to support you. Love, Chris! Yan! Bongga! Ito yung picture ko na wala akong glasses guys. Ayan. Hindi siya si InDaynaMo. Okay guys, we'll go to the next one. Here. Here guys. Ayan. Ano kaya yan guys? Wow! Bongga! Airplane! Necklace! Go! Wow! Yayamanin! Ang bag! Diba? Panalo! Ayan. Thank you very much! Sis Chris! Thank you guys! Diba? Bongga! Balik ko na guys. So, that's it guys. I love my new necklace. Ayan, thank you very much for the gift. Sis Chris Tutorials. Ayan, kasi may story yan. Airplane kasi palagi nga kaming lumilipad. Tapos, tinanong niya ako kung may bibigay ako sa'yo, ganyan. And then, sabi ko, malaki ba siya or maliit? Sabi niya, maliit lang, dadala mo siya kasi, sabi niya, madadala mo siya kapag babalik na kayo ng Australia. So, very handy siya guys pala. Necklace pala iyon. Ayan. Thank you very much. You're you're so sweet, sis Chris Tutorials. Thank you very much, sis Chris, from the bottom of my heart po, Talamus. Mwah. And guys, I hope you enjoy watching my video for today and you learned something today, guys. Thank you very much for supporting my video and thanks for watching. Please like if you did enjoy my video today and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video, and please comment down below if you like this video, and I see you when I see you on my